Hey brother, how much for the plum there? Yeah, I'll give my bag now. We get. Hey brother, how much for the plum there? Yeah, I'll give my bag now. Yeah, the best one, eh? Alright, yeah. See, bless. Get.
Okay.
There's some nice plum here, boy.
Okay, I can tell I'm already up on it. So already
That
up
was
on
great.
it was the plum man was passing and he said, well, we can make some plum chow, we could do a video not for you all. But the thing is, I forget to put on the camera. So you now stop at the next traffic lights.
Just reenacted it. Perfect acting, guys. But she couldn't stop laughing.
Sorry guys, but sometimes y'all, I wish I could show you all the kind of thing that's going behind the scenes when we doing some of the videos. So come on, yeah.
Anyhow.
Yeah, so we got plum. Go mix and go show you how to do some plum chow. Go soak it. Wash my mouth watering already.
I'll eat some salt with some just
yeah,
salt.
You can eat salt and pepper. We're going to soak it.
I will soak the rest.
Yeah. So you all saw we got this plum, right? Now when you're plum in season, when anything like mango, cheddar, plum, what else? Anything we can make chow with, we basically, we Trinis take advantage of it and it's chow. So I bought this bag, $25. We paid for it on the highway near St. Augustine's by UE, I think it was, St. Augustine area. And I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is to make a soak plum. It's just basically plum chow. But to me, a real plum chow, you have to let it soak. So it's pretty simple. I'm going to be using my little mini chopper that y'all would have seen me get in a previous video. And I'm going to fill up a container, a nice container, I'll show you guys. And we're just going to let this soak. Now you all really need to try it. It's real simple, but you need to do it and just have it in your house whenever plumbing season. So chow in Trinidad for Trini people is like heaven. I know not many people in the islands know about chow, and but you all need to try it for sure. It's basically using any fruit you get your hands on, and you're adding some salt, black pepper, green seasoning, which is basically a combination of like shadow benny, hot pepper, garlic. Some people add sugar to the chow, some people add ketchup depending on what it is, but it's just basically a real peppery sort of snack that we Trinis just love. So for this plum, I find for plum chow you have to cut it because I find it does soaking so well. So I just gonna cut it. Now, a little time consuming, I would be honest, but it's very much well worth it. So I'm gonna do this for a good few of them guys. My hand's kind of tired now, and husband like to eat some of this plum with just salt and pepper. So I'm not even going to bother to cut out the rest. We'll enjoy that with some simple salt and pepper sauce. So I'm going to give these a quick rinse, and chow is really need a little bit of like liquid, some chow sauce in it. So you're rinsing this, and I'm going to show you the container. So this is a nice cute container. It's really used for like cereals and stuff, you know, but I have no cereal in it right now. So I'm going to add plums, one just rolled out. And now we're going to make the green seasoning. We're going to fill this up and we're going to let it soak. So we add in some pepper. Now this pepper is smelling hot, so I don't think we should add too much. We're going to put some garlic, shadow benny. We're just going to chop this up. So this is what it looks like. Green seasoning all finished. Emptying it in here, people. Put in some black pepper.
Okay, wanna know.
And salt. I like plenty salt. You all just miss everything though. So add black pepper, salt, and the green seasoning. We're gonna put some water in this and cover it up. Right, people, look at this. need to soak. So let me show you a better angle. So check it out. Plum soaking. This is plum chow goodness here. You need to try it, right? They normally do this with plum, so try it out, guys. Thanks so much for watching.